Well, how to enable notifications on Lyft? I'll show you an easy method. Well, first, you gotta open the Lyft app and sign in. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to settings. Find the notification section. Tap it to open your notification preferences. Make sure each toggle is switched on. Ride updates, driver arrival, promotions, and safety alerts. If any are gray or off, tap to turn them on. Now, Lyft may prompt you to allow notifications at the device level. Just tap allow. And next, leave the app and go to your phone settings. On iPhone, go to notifications, scroll to Lyft, and enable allow notifications, showing them on lock screen. Notification center in as banners. Now on Android, go to apps and notifications, find Lyft, tap notifications, and ensure all relevant channels are allowed. Now return to Lyft, then request a test ride or wait for a ping so you can check that notifications are working properly. And basically that is it, guys. That's all you need to do. If you got any questions, go ahead and make sure you drop them in the comment section down below. And until then, you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video.